A silver alert has been issued for Maricopa County Sheriff's Office. This is the Arizona Department of Public Safety. MCSO is looking for Yvonne Grayson, black female, 56 years old, 5 foot 03 inches, 275 pounds, black/gray hair, brown eyes. Last seen wearing a gray sweatshirt, gray pants, and black Reebok shoes. She was last seen at the Walmart on E Rittenhouse RD, in Queen Creek. She left the area on foot, has a diminished mental capacity and may be without prescribed medication. If seen or located, contact Maricopa County Sheriff's Office. If you have contact with the silver alert, please call 911. Monitor TV and radio for updates.